Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with clean, dry hair so the product grips. Damp or oily edges slip. Apply a pea-sized amount of edge control to the targeted 1/2 to 1 inch section, then hold the brush at a slight angle. Use short, upward strokes at the base to lift hair away from the scalp. This creates tension and defines the arch. Once lifted, smooth the mid-lengths with the brush to shape the rise and maintain the tension while the product sets. Once the first pass holds, you build the shape by working in 2-3 overlapping passes, increasing lift gradually so the edge looks natural rather than bulky. Make sure to alternate strokes. Use the brush tip for precise baby hair placement and the broader body of the brush to boost the base. If you need more hold, add a tiny drop of product between passes and distribute evenly. Also, check symmetry in the mirror often and tweak small sections, rather than redoing the whole edge. You finish by setting the lift. Let the product dry for 2-3 minutes, then wrap a silk scarf for 5-10 minutes to lock the shape without crushing it. If the edges feel too stiff or show flakes, lightly mist or pat with a damp cloth and smooth with the brush to remove excess product. When the lift becomes limp, target the roots only with a minimal dab of product and relift to restore height. This avoids overloading the lengths and preserves the overall style.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.